Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's DIYs are all Easter DIYs with pastel colors and plaid themed. So I'm going to start with this cute wooden bunny, and I'm also going to use this gift bag which has got this beautiful green plaid on it, and I'm going to use one part of it for this bunny. I just took like one side of the bag. Now I traced the whole bunny on it. Now I cut that piece of the gift bag, and I'm just applying generously the glue stick on top of the wooden surface. Now I am gently pressing with my fingers all over to remove any air bubbles. I'm sanding down all sides using the sanding stone to give like a nice clean surface all over. Now I'm also taking this beautiful carrots that I got from Dollar Tree recently, and they are so tiny and so cute. So I'm just taking some of the Spanish moss and I applied the hot glue and I stuck those Spanish moss in there. Now I'm taking a little bit of a hot glue and I'm sticking those carrots on top of this Spanish moss to give like a hay, and the carrots growing on top of the hay, and this bunny is sitting in that carrot farm. That's the look I'm going with. So I also got this beautiful carrot ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I created one ribbon all around his neck, and I created a small bow and I stuck it in one corner. Now this whole bunny looks plain to me, so I'm just giving like a dotted lines, like a stitch lines all around it to finish the look. And this is one of the cute spring bunny for this season, and I'm so happy with the end result, you guys. This is a pastel green and I like the plaid background, and all of these DIYs today have some plaid or the other in a pastel color. So yeah, this is one of it. Please let me know your thoughts on this. This video would be part of Easter around the world, and this is hosted by CJ or CJ DIY, and other creative ladies along with me are part of this collab. I'm gonna link CJ's channel as well as all the creative ladies, and also the playlist of all these beautiful creations today. And please watch all of our videos and give lots of love. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to use the same gift bag paper, and I'm going to stick on to this beautiful Easter truck. So I'm going to remove this tag, and I'm going to use it for the other project that you're going to see in a while. And I'm actually cutting down this paper according to this truck size. Now I'm doing the same process, applying a lot of glue stick, and then I'm just pressing this paper and using the roller to remove any air bubbles. And I'm also carving out those wheels, and I'm going to paint the wheels in black color. So I'm using this box cutter, and then I'm removing the extra paper around the wheels. I'm also doing this, sanding down the corners to get like nice clean edges, and using this black chalk paint I'm drawing the wheels. Now I'm also going to draw the window of the truck just like that. I'm just going eyeballing it. I'm not using any measurement, and it came out well. And this is one of the bunny bag that I used for last year project, and those bunny ears are those wooden eggs, and I stuck some of this bags cloth which had like polka dots on it to give like a pink ears to him. And I also have this wooden piece. I just stained it with this watery mixture of black paint, and after it's dried I just gave like a small wooden surface around the open part of the truck. You know what I mean. So I just stuck some of this carrots around this bunny, and as the bunny is jumping into the carrots truck, that's the look I'm giving here. And I have this chalkboard. I'm going to write farm fresh with this white marker from Dollar Tree. Every item used in these projects are all from Dollar Tree, you guys. So I'm taking like a generous amount of hot glue, and I'm sticking just below the window of the truck, just like that. And I'm also going to draw like stitch lines all around the truck to give like better look to it. And I think that calls it done. I also stuck one of the cute ribbon which has bunny's back and jumping into the truck. That was the ribbon that I got from last year, and I created like a 4 loops bow, and I also have some polka dotted ribbons to add more glamour to it, and I just stuck just behind those carrots. And this is one of the cute DIY I'm in love with. I think this is my favorite today. You have to let me know your thoughts as well. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this DIY, I'm going to, decorate this pillow that I got from Dollar Tree. It's such a beautiful pillow I saw on one of the magazines, and I wanted to buy and make a pillow out of the fabric, but we have this already pre-made in Dollar Tree, so all I have to do is give some decoration to that bunny. And I'm also going to give like tassels on the 4 corners, and this is one of the yarn that I got from Dollar Tree, I believe, long time back. So I'm just rolling around the yarn on a cardboard piece, and I'm actually tying it all together just like that. And I'm going to create 4 tassels for the 4 corners, and I'm going to stick it with the hot glue, and you're going to see in a minute. And I have this beautiful ribbon, so I'm thinking which one to decorate him with. And I have this cute bunny's tail that I got from Dollar Tree from last year, I think. And I also have this cute trim which has pink woolen balls hanging around, so I'm just giving a necklace for this cute bunny around his neck, just like that. And I stuck the tail and I stuck this necklace. Now I'm going to stick this cute tassels. I'm just cutting off the extra, and I need to wear my finger protector, of course. And I took like a generous amount of hot glue, and I carefully stuck this to one corner, and this is how I did for all 4 corners. And I have this beautiful gingham pink ribbon, and I created a bow out of it using the same yarn around. I twisted the yarn in the center of the bow, and I also wanted to decorate with one of this trim's ball, pink ball in the center. I think with this cute bunny is all dressed up, and I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to insert a pillow into this. And this is how this cute bunny pillow turned out, and I'm so happy with the end result, you guys. Such a cute pillow, and I don't have to do much, and this gave like a nice statement piece to all the Easter decor day. So yeah, this is one of it. Please let me know your thoughts as well. DIY number 4. For this DIY, I'm going to take some of this bunny gnome garland, and this is one of the board that I used for last year project. I'm going to repurpose it, and the tag that we pulled off from the truck, that also we are going to use for this DIY. And I'm just taking 3 of the gnomes in 3 different colors, and they're all beautiful pastel colors. And I'm just filling those holes with some of this spackling, and I let it dry. After it is dried, I'm also painting the beard. It was like a very shiny one. I just dulled down the shine with the matte chalk paint, actually white chalk paint, to matte it down. And I'm also sticking some of the sticker letters. I don't have E in it, so I twisted W in a parallel direction, and I made it like a E, so it worked out. And my board is ready. I just stuck it with hot glue on top, and I'm also sticking all these gnomes, 3 of them, in an equidistance. I didn't measure. I'm good at eyeballing, so I just went my way, but you can always measure the distance. That will be giving like a nice neat look. And I also have this and I also took some of this pastel pink paper straws, and I'm just attaching it in the border to give like a nice neat border. And Two of them fit well on the either side. Since it's a rectangle, the straight pieces have to be added some, some more pieces to finish the sides. So I just took like one whole thing and one other small piece, just like that. Using hot glue, I just stuck all four corners. Now I'm just taking this Easter board on top, and I think I'm also going to decorate with some carrots and some bow. And I created a bow out of this cute ribbon which has got like Easter, happy Easter I think, and also bunnies and eggs. It's got like all three colored bunnies. And I stuck two carrots in the center of the bow just like that. And I also created three colors bows from three pastel color satin ribbons, and I stuck it on top of the gnomes where the holes filled with spackling. Now I'm also going to attach this cute roses, and in an opposite colors, yellow, pink, and I have got like nice coral color. So I'm just attaching all three in three different colors, and I also attached tiny carrots and one egg in the corner. And I think this calls it done. I'm very much happy with the look. So this is another cute pastel colored I would say like bunny gnome, and yeah, this is one of it, and I'm very happy with the end result, you guys. Please let me know your thoughts as well. Let's move on to DIY number 5. For this DIY, I'm going to create like a Easter Christmas tree. So I have this beautiful confetti that I got from last year. So it's got like cute eggs and cute chick and happy Easter in all three different colors, and they were like really bright colors. So I'm going to dull down, and I'm also going to give like a nice matte shine. So I have this pink chalk paint, and I'm just painting all those eggs in a pink chalk paint, one set of it. Another yellow confetti eggs I'm just painting with yellow color, another one with a beautiful green. So after all these confettis have dried, and these are all eggs by the way, and I'm just taking like a little bit of a hot glue, and this is such a cute green color Christmas tree, and such a beautiful color, right? I just got three colors, and they were available in three colors I believe, so I got all three. And I'm using tweezers. I'm just holding it each confetti, and I'm also taking like a little bit of a hot glue, and I'm just carefully sticking it in an order, and I carefully stuck all the way to the top. Now I have this happy Easter, which is also in pink color. Like I said, they're all in all colors. So using this tweezer, I'm doing the same process, and using hot glue, I'm just sticking it on top of the Easter Christmas tree. And this completes one of the green Christmas tree, and I'm going to work my way to do the pink one and also the blue one. I think it's not pink, it's actually lavender color I believe. And these are all the colors and of this Easter Christmas tree. See how cute those eggs are stuck, and I'm so happy with the end result, you guys. This is one of the cute pastel collection of Easter decor today. So I'm very happy with the end result. Please let me know your thoughts as well. If you want to connect with me on social media, these are some of the handles that you can use. And let's move on to DIY number 6. This DIY is actually a quick hack, and this is one of the cute container that I got from Dollar Tree. It has cute pastel plaid truck on it and a lot of eggs and decorations on it. So I just wanted to highlight the design. So I started painting white chalk paint inside the container. Now the design is highlighted bright. I also am using the same Happy Easter sticker from my previous Christmas tree collections, and I stuffed with styrofoam in the base of this container and stuffed with a lot of Spanish moss on top of it. And these eggs I painted, and I used these eggs for a previous project, and I painted in different colors, and I'm just carefully arranging all over it, and some carrots. And I also used this pink and blue bunny for my previous project, and I just stuck it onto the skewers, and they're just jumping on top, and on top of the carrots and eggs and some flowers. See how beautiful that design is. I just love the colors and those plaid, and it's actually going along with the theme today, so I just added this also as one of the DIY today. And I love those wall hanging which had like happy Easter and some eggs in the center, so I just got 2 pieces on either side to decorate it. And this is my cute bunnies, pink and blue, and I created a bow with all those pink and green and blue and all those gingham bows together, and I created a bow out of it, and I stuck it to a skewer, and then I inserted that skewer into the styrofoam, and I also added some flowers and greenery to finish the look. And this is such a cute Easter basket, and I'm so happy with the end result. I hope you would like it as well. Now we reached the end of the video for today, and this is such a cute collection of all the DIYs today, all in pastel colors and also plaid and Easter theme, of course. And I hope you also enjoyed watching and working along with me. Please let me know your thoughts, which one is your favorite, and which you would like to recreate. I would love to hear all about it. Please leave your comments in the comment section. And I also want to take a minute to thank all of you for the warm and sweet comment. Thank you, and I'm very grateful for that. And also thank you so much for the constant support that you've been giving towards my channel, and I want this forever. So enough of me talking, I would let you enjoy the final reveal. If you like some of these ideas and you would like to join the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. And if you like to see some of my videos, until next time, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.